Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing, so stay tuned. Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to my channel, Motivational Marketer. My name is Benjamin, and I'm going to just get right into it. So what is affiliate marketing? Simply put, affiliate marketing is promoting somebody else's product online and you make a commission every time that product is sold. So the question is, where do you start? Well, first of all, you have to start by picking a niche. It can be any niche. It can be the relationship niche, it can be weight loss, it can be motivation, and it can also be making money online. So first, let's start off with that. So first, you got to pick your niche. And once you guys figure out what niche you guys want, the next step is to pick a product or service to promote. Product or service. So now you're probably wondering, where can you promote a product or a service? And the two basic recommendation that I would give to you guys is Amazon Associates program and ClickBank. And both of those programs are free. So all you have to do is sign up, and it's completely free to sign up. You go to clickbank.com, you create an account, and then you sign up. And I'm pretty sure, well, everybody's heard of Amazon. So you go to AmazonAssociates.com. You create an account, and then you start promoting products that are related to your niche. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, you guys can promote health and fitness supplements from Amazon or ClickBank. It's pretty simple. It's really up to you which one you choose, but the commission for Amazon is kind of low. It's not as high as ClickBank, so I mean, you guys should do your own research into that and figure out which one is best for you. So the next thing you're probably wondering is, where can you promote your product or service? So what you have to do is figure out where you want to promote, and there are plenty of ways that you can promote it. So you can promote it on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and forums. Now, if you guys are unaware, there's a forum called Quora.com where people ask questions and you guys can answer those questions. So I would recommend you answer questions that are related to your niche right here. So it's Quora.com. You guys just go to that website, and I believe you just make a profile, and you're able to answer and ask questions. But just make sure that you're answering questions that are related to your niche if you're going to be promoting right there, because they do have regulations about that. I think I got kicked off, or I got banned for like 2 weeks or something. Yeah, so they just make sure you guys don't spam right there. Another great way you can promote your product or service is through a blog. So all these are free ways you can promote affiliate products online. Facebook, you can pay for ads if you guys choose to do so, but I mean, you can just post in groups that are related to your niche and promote products there. But this is a great way to start off with. So the next thing you guys are going to do is create content. You're going to want to create valuable content. So I'm going to say, for example, if you're going to be using a blog to promote your affiliate product, you're going to do a blog post. So this is just an example. So this is your blog post right here. It's supposed to be a page. So you know, this is your blog post. It can be, for example, 5 tips to lose body fat. if you're in the weight loss niche. So this is your blog post, and at the end of your blog post, you're gonna want to create a call to action, or a CTA. Just simply put a short description and just say, hey, if you guys found this content of value, check out this product online, this weight loss supplement, and you're gonna just post your affiliate link. So people who check out your blog are gonna have a chance to see your affiliate link. And what you're gonna do after that is repeat. You're gonna want to repeat this process consistently. So I'm gonna just remind you guys, all of these services, these platforms are free to use, but they are gonna take time and energy in order to build authority. If you guys are really serious about making money online, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below, and you guys can check it out. And if you feel like you got any valuable information out of this video, feel free to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe, because I'm gonna have a lot of great videos coming out. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.